Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. January 2 na ngayon, no? 2026. Ang bilis ng panahon. So, ngayon, it's a lazy day. Napaka mabigat sa katawan. Parang walang nagawa ngayon talaga. Totally the whole day lying in bed. So this is really a lazy day. Parang wala tayong maiisip na gawin, maghiga lang. But by next week, so I'm gonna be busy because I need to do something which is related to my upcoming work. And apart from that, preparing also for na sa future natin. But I'm very happy for this year. Parang start tayo sa maganda ang ating year. So, I'm so grateful at sana tumagal ako sa work na to kasi I need it. I need this. And work from home naman siya. So, anytime if we need to travel, I can still work kung meron talagang wifi, diba? So this is an opportunity, isang blessing sa year 2026, and hopefully marami pang mga opportunity na dumating. So tuloy lang ang laban, no? But for this week, higa muna tayo, pahinga, whatsoever, landian. Wala tayong magawa. Anyways, wala lang, nangumusta lang si Inday. So, ano ang ganap natin for this year, mga kabunso? Meron bang update? Meron bang paparating na event? Mag-comment kayo sa baba kung merong mga parating na event para anuhan natin, ma-vlog din natin, at saka para revenue. Hindi naman ako nakaabot ng $100. So itong ko, aabot pa to ng February or March. Sige lang. As I said, hindi siya, though na wala tayong source of income for now, but hindi ko na to tinuturing na bread and butter itong YouTube, kasi wala na talaga. Even uploads ko, I only got less than 100 views, but it's fine as long as meron akong ma-earn na revenue sa bawat upload ko. And I really appreciate those kabunso na laging nanonood, nagtatamsak sa aking mga videos. I owe you a lot, mga kabunso. And ayaan yung balikan ko kayo sa susunod na mga panahon, no? Kapag magka-blessings na tayo, maglalaro tayo dito, magpapakulo tayo para naman happy, at saka premyo yan sa pagtsatsaga nyo sa aking mga uploads. So, yun lang. Wala akong update na iba. As usual, we always talk. And we'll just keep you posted, guys, whenever Dave is here. Anyway, mag-upload naman ako sa aking YouTube channel. And I'm planning na kasi ang channel na ito is it's no longer recommended, I guess. Itutuloy ko siguro yung isa na aming YouTube channel just in case, no? Just in case. So, yun, soon, i-drop ko po yung link para ma-subscribe nyo at ma-follow nyo din from time to time whenever we have an upload videos. You can also tune in there kasi it's more on our journey and lifestyle in the future. So I would really appreciate, guys, kung i-follow nyo, i-subscribe nyo po ang aking YouTube channel na isa. But not today kasi wala pa akong hindi ko pa feel na i-drop yung link there para ma-subscribe ninyo. But it's okay. I'm not in a rush. 30 plus pa naman ang subscribers doon, ay parang 30. That's fine. So, ayun lang. Yun lang ang ano ko ngayon. So far, wala akong ginawa ngayong araw na ito, at sana kung may update sa mga upcoming events, you could leave there a comment section para mabigyan ko po ng uploads, para tulong lang naman sa akin, para maka-reach tayo ng $100. Currently, $88 pa. So, meron pa tayong 12. So, it's another 2 months siguro para maabot yung $100. Abutin tayo ng April. That's fine. Thank you so much, Kabunso, for watching this video. This is your Inday. Mabuhay kayo at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. God bless. Happy New Year.